Syntelic offers best-in-class performance for truck load planning, and labor management for outbound warehouse operations. Our customer base includes some of the most respected distribution companies in North America. These companies use Syntelic every day to meet their distribution challenges. Many of them have said they can't imagine not having Syntelic, and that Syntelic offers them a competitive advantage. Syntelic acts as the hub to streamline data flow among various disparate systems employed in outbound warehouse processes, such as order management, WMS, and ERP, routing, and voice systems. Syntelic replaces multiple user interfaces and eliminates data silos by acting as the primary tool for planning, directing, and evaluating outbound operations. There are three major steps to the Syntelic workflow. Load planning builds dynamic load diagrams. Labor planning determines all the work tasks necessary to select and load all outgoing orders. And outbound execution directs and monitors the work on a real-time basis. Step 1 is the building of a dynamic load plan. Load planners start with a wave of orders and routes. No matter how dramatically the product mix or volumes might change from week to week or between seasons, Syntelic dynamically calculates an optimized load plan for every outbound trailer. The system automatically selects an appropriate trailer type to accommodate order sizes. It then sizes compartments and makes adjustments to avoid overflow pallets and make efficient use of trailer capacity. Syntelic employs sophisticated load planning logic. It's fast, it's accurate, and it's flexible. Once the plans are calculated, the load planner focuses only on the exceptions. He or she can see at a glance any load plans that are tight, either by capacity or axle weights. Drilling down on an individual load diagram, the planner can see cases and cubes by stop for each pallet position, even individual items for that pallet position. It's quick and easy to make any adjustments if needed. Syntelic dynamic load planning follows your business rules. For example, what products are loaded in bulk and under what conditions? What products can be mixed together? For example, chemicals can't be mixed with food. What items should be allocated to each compartment? Syntelic can handle any exceptions. For instance, the first stop's frozen goods go on the tail, wrapped in a blanket, for quick delivery on the loading dock. Are there special considerations for delivery locations, such as small wood pallets, totes, or containers? Will deliveries be made out of side doors? Once the load diagrams are done, the next step in the workflow is to build a labor plan. The work of selecting products, assembling pallets, and loading trailers is organized in a logical sequence by Syntelic's smart labor planning to support fast and efficient loading so that routes are dispatched on schedule. Just like load planning, our labor planning logic also follows your business rules. Syntelic calculates work standards based on work area, pick locations, the number of cases or pallets, and many other factors. Syntelic builds a wide variety of tasks to fit the workflow of each individual warehouse. For example, pre-pick items, pick eaches out of a master case, or pick high-value items from a cage area. You can set picking rules, such as pick products by stop, pick 2 or 3 pallets at a time, or have loaders pick certain items, such as bulk items. You can set product combination rules, such as pick ice cream separately from other frozen products, or require a loader to carry out a quality assurance step prior to loading. These business rules can vary by customer, by product type, by stop sequence, or other factors. Live outbound execution is where the rubber hits the road. Syntelic takes the work plan and manages the execution of all work tasks. As it does this, it also provides complete real-time visibility into outbound operations. Think of Syntelic as your command and control center where you can monitor productivity and make adjustments if needed to execute the work plan on schedule and efficiently. Once the labor plan is set, all related work tasks are pending and unassigned. You can build work queues that make sense to you, by warehouse area such as freezer, cooler, or dry, or by route, or by special product type. Syntelic then assigns tasks to workers. Pending work may be assigned to individual workers either as they need the work or ahead of time. As workers move from task to task, Syntelic records start and finish times and logs the task as completed. While the work is fully sequenced, supervisors remain in control. They can make adjustments throughout the day as needed. They can review statuses and reassign work by areas in the warehouse, by shifts or times of day, or by individual employee. Voice-enabled selection is more accurate and efficient than the alternatives of label picking or barcode scanning. Syntelic sends task assignments to workers who are enabled with Vocalect voice technology as they need new work. Syntelic then receives status updates via voice as the work progresses. Syntelic manages all labor tasks. It also manages general tasks such as breaks, meetings, battery changes, or cleanup. Syntelic fully leverages voice technology to provide all the benefits that voice provides, such as not having to spend time traveling to an assignment desk, operating hands-free and eyes up, picking accurately based on voice checks, and not spending time with wasted movements. Syntelic provides the foundation for all your outbound work. It provides a single login place for load planners, warehouse supervisors, and executives. It provides visibility across a company's network of distribution centers. Syntelic simplifies data flow among systems. It does all the planning, meets all reporting and analytic dashboard needs in one place, manages the work queue by directing Vocalect voice-enabled workers, and ensures that all orders are fulfilled efficiently and profitably. Syntelic's enterprise architecture is web-based, scalable to large, geographically dispersed organizations. It is centrally configured and administered and provides visibility across DCs. Syntelic is designed to be a flexible and robust tool for setting up customizable interactive dashboards and scorecards. You can create your own calculations for fact-based decision-making, create any number of views or reports for management, and access historic data to evaluate trends. In short, Syntelic is the hub that ties your systems together and effectively manages load planning, labor planning, and labor productivity.